Reason why I stopped you, man, you're weaving in and out of traffic, you're excessive speed also. What's going on? What's the rush?
I'm actually getting to my baby mom. She's about to have a baby right now.
Okay.
It's a bold strategy, Cotton. Let's see if it pays off for him.
On April the 9th, 2024, at approximately 9:37 p.m., an officer with the Columbus Division of Police was on routine patrol when he observed a black Audi four-door sedan traveling at a high rate of speed, weaving in and out of traffic. The officer activated his lights and sirens, but the vehicle continued for several blocks. Eventually, the vehicle stopped and the driver was identified as Mr. Andrew Williams, who has a bad habit of telling officers that he's speeding because his baby mom is at home in labor. He also has a few other bad habits that you're going to learn about in this video.
I've got a black four-door Audi and a high range 71 northbound passing Hudson. Passing Hudson. Coming up the Hudson. Stand by Henry, Young Union 4263. It's currently not stopping. About to disengage her. He's back down to speed limit. Getting off at Hudson.
Hey, Stu, is it just Travis?
Yes, sir.
I'll be with Officer.
He's pulling over here at the Family Dollar, just east of 71 on Hudson.
I copy.
Hey, driver, go ahead and put all your windows down, turn the car off. All your windows down, turn the car off, please. Stay in the car, stay in the car. Put all your windows down, turn the car off. Shut your door. Thank you, sir. All your windows all the way down. All the windows all the way down. Close your door, stay in the car. Close your door, sir.
20.
Hands on the steering wheel. Thank you. Hands on the steering wheel.
41, it was a 27. Can you put me at 27 for a code 1, please? Copy.
Yeah, I told him put all the windows down. I've got the driver's side down. I can't see inside the car in the rear. Unknown how many's on board, okay? Can you hear me? Steering wheel, sir. Hands on the steering wheel. Hands on the steering wheel. Okay. How you doing? No, hands on the steering wheel. Don't worry about this. Okay. He's all in the car with you.
It's just me, bro.
Hands on the steering wheel. Hands on the steering wheel.
I'm no threat, bro.
Hands on the steering wheel. Thank you. Appreciate you. Reason why I stopped you, man, you're weaving in and out of traffic. You're excessive speed also. What's going on? What's the rush?
I'm actually getting to my baby mom. She's about to have a baby right now.
Okay. Where
So
at?
that's off of Monroe.
Off of Monroe. She's having a baby in her house?
Yes.
All
Can
right.
you follow me there?
Give them the address. We'll get a medic there right now.
Wait. That's the reason why I'm driving away. Hold on.
Okay. Is this your car, sir?
Monroe McGuffey.
What's the address again? Hands on the steering wheel.
McGuffey.
Hands. Okay, you're good.
It's off
McGuffey?
McGuffey. Yes, that's what's going on right now.
Hold on. She's having a
She
baby
need to
right
get
now,
there.
right?
She need me to get there,
Let's see if
bro.
I'm-
That's where I'm.
Let me see the address
Where I
again.
need to get there. Off of McGuffey. I don't
28
know Monroe
2898
McGuffey.
McGuffey?
That's where I'm going right now.
9051. Hands.
No, bro, I don't have nothing.
Let's
bro.
start at 24 to 2858 McGuffey.
Yeah, I don't
He's
have-
claiming his girlfriend's having a baby there.
I don't have nothing.
2858 McGuffey, right?
Like, y'all,
Oh, no, bro, don't worry. Just
y'all usually
get
got me
the
nervous,
address.
bro.
I understand.
Like, goddamn,
Get the address.
Bro. I'm just trying to get there to her.
2898.
28.
What is it? 28? What is it? Tell me, brother.
2898, bro.
Okay.
But I don't like.
9051
It's off
correction.
McGuffey,
Address
bro.
2898 McGuffey.
I'm just trying to get there, bro.
Okay. I got a medic on the way there, okay? That's taken care of.
I'm just saying,
they're
I
on
don't
the way
know what's
there now.
happening.
Okay. All right. Anything else besides her having a baby? There's no like danger to her at all, is there? No danger, just the baby, right?
No, bro.
Okay. Just want to make sure.
No, it's
Wanna
no
make sure.
fucking danger,
Just want to
bro.
make sure. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So
No, it's nothing like that going
we're going
on.
to take care of the situation here. Your driving was erratic. Okay. It wasn't safe.
I'm just trying to get to the
I understand.
to her.
I understand.
That's all, bro.
Okay, I understand that. Okay. She's
No
got help on the
bullshit.
way. She has help on the way. Whose car is this, sir?
It's my car.
Your car's it's in your name.
I bought this car.
Okay.
Yeah, that's
Is
what
there
I'm
a reason why the ignition column is peeled?
The what?
Hey, buddy. You said ignition column is peeled. What's going on?
Bro, I have the key. This is
guys.
a push start.
Ignition column.
Bro, this is a push start, bro. This is for the windshield wiper.
Okay.
It's broken.
Okay.
Yeah, this
Ignition's
is
right there.
the ignition's right here.
All right, you're good. He
Bro,
he
this
saw,
is,
he
I
saw
have the
something
key.
else. He saw something else. You have ID on you,
I
brother?
didn't steal this car.
Hey, brother. You have ID on you?
Yeah, I have ID.
Just relax, man. Let me see your ID, please.
I was just picking my phone up.
I understand. What's your wife or baby's mom's name? What's her name at the hospital? At the house in McGuffey? What's her name?
She'll get. She.
Okay.
I don't know if she wants me to give her name,
All right.
but
She's having a
that's
baby
where
right
I'm
now.
coming. That's where I'm coming to,
So I
bro.
sent the
That's the
medic.
reason why
Okay.
I was driving the way I was,
Okay.
bro.
It's no problem. It is
It's
a problem.
no issue.
I got you. Okay.
Nothing like that. Is there an
So,
issue?
You're driving.
I know the way I was driving,
Yes, sir.
so I understand that. But
Yes.
is there any other issue?
Besides that,
Because I'm
I
just
want to make sure
going
your
to
wife
where
or
I'm
your
coming.
girlfriend's okay. Okay. I got a medic to
That's
her house.
where I was coming to.
Okay.
That's the reason why
So
I'm
we can-
driving
we can,
there.
We can settle down a little bit on her terms. She's got help on the way for sure. Okay. And
I don't know that.
I'm telling you, I have a medic en route. 2898 McGuffey, right? Okay.
Yeah.
I help on the way. All right. So
I don't know
First
what
things
the fuck's
first.
going on.
first things first.
Uh-huh.
Let's get you all figured out here. I'm okay. I'll just get the car figured out. Car's in your name.
I bought the car.
All right. Whose car
Yes.
is technically? Who's? If I run the plate, who would it come back to? The actual plate
The-
itself.
Listen, I bought the car.
Okay.
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 The car I recently bought. I have to get everything situated with the car as
Okay.
of right now.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's no issue about it. It's not stolen or anything like
So
that.
the car's probably in somebody else's name, I'm assuming?
I'm getting everything situated as of right now. I happen to be, the reason why I'm speeding the way I was
Yeah.
is to get to her
Okay.
because of what's going on
Okay.
right now.
Well, you're doing a little bit too much speeding, man. You're kind of reckless.
No,
All right.
it's
Yeah,
not.
You were reckless, more than speed.
I'm
okay.
I'm in control.
Well,
This is an
from what I saw,
emergency,
sir, you
and
were
I'm
changing
trying.
lanes too
Okay,
aggressively.
yes, I'm
Okay.
trying to
And
get
speeding.
to her.
Okay. All right.
That's all I'm saying.
Okay.
You want me to get out the car?
Yeah, if you don't mind, brother.
Okay.
Any weapons on you at all, sir?
No, I don't have
All right.
any weapons.
Just leave your phone and your wallet on the seat there.
No,
for me, okay?
no, everything's fine.
No, leave your phone and your wallet on the seat there if you don't mind. It's easier. That way,
Yes,
okay?
everything's fine.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, everything's fine, bro.
What is your first name? So I didn't look at your ID.
Andrew.
Everything on the phone, on the seat there.
Yeah,
everything, brother. Everything.
Yeah. Well, this is my wallet though.
I'm not gonna leave
This
the wallet
is
without
mine.
you. I got you. Leave it there, man. You're fine.
Yeah, it's like everything's
And your
it's
wallet.
good.
And your wallet.
Yeah,
And your
everything's
wallet.
good, bro.
And your wallet on the car seat. Okay?
Huh?
It's not gonna disappear. I don't want your wallet. Just leave it on the car seat for me, okay? We don't need it with you.
I just don't understand I understand I'm speeding, but I've
Yeah.
never had this happen before.
So
as
reckless
far as me,
operation. Reckless
speeding,
operation. Listen to me.
I don't know what's going on right
Reckless
now.
operation is arrestable. Okay, I'm just trying to help you out the best I can. Okay, I'm not putting you in handcuffs unless I need to.
Why would I? Why though, bro? I'm
Well,
not
right now
causing
you're
you
not
no harm
listening
or
to me. You're
anything.
not listening to me, sir.
No, I understand the operation and everything,
One
but I've
more
never
request.
had this happen. I was just
understand.
speeding.
One more request, sir. Just please put your stuff on the seat. That's all.
That's it.
Including your wallet.
It's no problem in here.
Thank you.
It's no problem in here, bro. It's no problem in here.
Okay.
You're making me nervous. Like,
Well, I'm
what
trying
the
to speak
fuck
calmly
is-
to you, brother. Okay.
What is going on?
Back here. You're good. Hands behind your back. You're not under arrest.
Yeah. So why
Relax,
you
relax.
fucking-
Patting you down for what, bro? No weapons on you, though?
No, I'm good. So why are you putting me?
Patting you down for what? No weapons on you, though?
No, I'm good. I don't have no weapons on me.
What's that? No, okay.
Yeah, I don't have no weapons or anything
All right, so
like
as of
that.
right now, sir, you have no license to drive, okay?
Huh?
I am putting you in handcuffs for now, no license.
Okay, no, I'm saying that's fine. But the reason why I was speeding is because I was trying to get to where I needed to go. Well, she's about to have a baby, bro. Huh?
I've got a medic en route.
No, man. Come on, man. It's nothing. I'm not hot. I'm not doing nothing crazy or anything, man. It's nothing going on.
Whose car is this? You don't really know?
No, I bought this car.
Okay.
I bought this car. I bought this car.
All right, whose car is it technically? Like, whose name does it come back to? Do you know?
I bought this
All right,
car
we'll
from
figure it out.
some buyer. All you gonna do is you want to tow my car?
You shouldn't be
And
driving.
all that?
You shouldn't be driving in the first place, bro. Okay. Come back over here, bro.
I can have somebody grab the car. Y'all don't have to be afraid of me or nothing.
I'm not afraid of you at all,
Y'all
sir.
stiff and everything.
You're the one being
I'm
stiff, bro.
no, I'm not being
Walk
stiff.
free.
I'm just don't make this something big that it's not, man.
Okay.
That's it. Literally.
But you don't know the person, do you? The name?
No, I know the person. I met him on Facebook Marketplace.
What's his name?
Man, Muhammad something. I don't know.
What
been a
took
few
you so long
weeks.
to pull over, man? What took you so long? I got you on
Because I
71.
wanted to get off on an exit. I don't want to have you in harm. Pulling over off the freeway. So
All right, brother,
that's
anything
why
I need to know about it all in your pockets? Might put
Bro,
up your stick me?
I don't have anything, bro.
Okay.
I don't have anything.
Not bag on you, bro. Bag.
I don't have anything, bro. I'm good. I don't have anything. I don't have anything.
What is this thing? A tool or something, brother? What is this? A push rod or something?
I don't have anything, bro.
A little pipe there, looks like it.
Same shit.
Who carries pipes and rods in their pockets?
I'm just saying, I don't have anything on me, though.
Kind of some weird stuff to carry in your pockets, isn't it?
I don't have anything on me.
What is that here?
That looks like a crack rock to me.
Pipe here.
I ain't done like textures and shit, bro. I ain't not like that, bro.
How much cash do you have on you approximately on your person right now? Approximately.
What you got in your hand?
What is it? How much? roughly? 30, 40 bucks maybe, or what more?
What you got in your hand, man? Out of 40,
About 40 or so.
45, whatever. I don't know. What you put in your hand, man?
Anything in the car need to know about?
Nope. Ain't nothing in there. Nothing in there.
Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, that's fine. Just let me know if you see something. Remember the location, and does that plate come back to? You said a Subaru. What's that temp tag? Is that a temp tag? There was maybe. Okay. All right. Thanks, guys.
Hey, regarding that run that you're on, CFD went out to the 2898 McDuffie Road. Nobody was having a baby out there. A resident of the address on McDuffie told fire that that's the second time in 1 week that they've showed up because someone got pulled over and gave their address saying that they were having a baby.